Set value for particular cell in pandas data frame using index. I have created a pandas data frame and have got this. Now, I would like to assign a value to particular cell, for example to row C and column X. I would expect to get this result. With this code. However, the contents of df has not changed. The data frame contains yet again only nans. Any suggestions?
Rotex answer, df.set_value x 10 is far and away faster than the options I've suggested below. However, it has been slated for deprecation. Going forward, the recommended method is .i@/.add. Why df.xsc x equals 10 does not work? df.xsc by default returns a new data frame with a copy of the data, so modifies this new data frame only. dfx returns a view of the df data frame, so modifies df itself. Warning, it is sometimes difficult to predict if an operation returns a copy or a view. For this reason, the docs recommend avoiding assignments with chain indexing. So the recommended alternative is, which does modify df.
Update: the .set_value method is going to be deprecated. .i@/.add are good replacements. Unfortunately, pandas provides little documentation. The fastest way to do this is using set_value. This method is 100 times faster than .9 method. For example, df.set_value x 10.
You can also use a conditional lookup using .lock as seen here, where sum_column_name is the column you want to check the condition variable against, and another _column_name is the column you want to add to, can be a new column or one that already exists. Value_to_add is the value you want to add to that column/row. This example doesn't work precisely with the question at hand, but it might be useful for someone wants to add a specific value based on a condition.
Try using df.lock_row_index, call_indexer, equals value.
Ele vai ser, vai ser conseguido